Hello, my name is Veronica. It is Friday, June 6, 2025, and this is lab number 1, where we are going to go over our balance, graduated cylinder, and our beaker. So first, let's start with our balance here. So an electronic balance is used for measuring the mass of a substance or chemical. Here, I will show you how to power it on. And once it's powered on, you can then decide the units of measure that you're going to use. So we would push the M here and it'll change it to ounces or whatever you're going to use. So if I choose here ounces, then it's ready to go for whatever I am going to weigh. So once I do that, then I am ready to place whatever I'm gonna weigh. So I'm just gonna do this. It's 100 grams there. So there it is. That's how many ounces it is. And so you'll just use this to measure, whatever it is that you're doing. So this is our electronic balance. Next, we will move on to the graduated cylinder. A graduated cylinder is used to measure a precise volume of liquid. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna kind of get down to eye level. This is gonna be the best way to make sure that you're getting the right measurement. You also want to make sure that it's on a sturdy flat surface so you can get the most accurate reading. So once you have it set down on a sturdy flat surface, then you can start to add your liquid right into the mouth and kind of gauge where you need it to be. Now if you have poured too much, you can always use like a pipette to remove the liquid or add whatever it is that you're wanting to do. So that's our graduated cylinder. Lastly, we have our beaker. Our beaker is used to hold, mix, and heat liquids. That would be a glass beaker. So first you want to make sure that you're selecting a clean beaker with a suitable capacity. So these will come in different sizes. You want to make sure that it is big enough for whatever experiment that you're doing. So what you would do is you would pour your solution that you need to mix with the proper measurement. So we would just pour it in, make sure that we're using our little guides here for how much we need, how much liquid we need, or how much of each liquid we need. And then if you need to, then you can use a glass rod to kind of stir. And then if you have a glass, you can go ahead and use the beaker to also heat your liquid, right, on a stand with a Bunsen burner. So that is just the basics here for these 3 items.